Let's practice reading CVC words shorty. Let's blend sounds together.
B, I, B,
Bib. A bib is a piece of cloth or plastic worn around the neck to keep clothes clean while eating. The baby wears a bib.
B, I, G,
Big. Big means something that is large in size. The big teddy bear is taller than me.
B, I, N,
Bin. A bin is a container used for keeping or throwing away things. I put my toys in the bin after playing.
D, I, G,
Dig. To dig means to make a hole in the ground using your hands or a tool. I dig in the sand to make a hole for my sandcastle.
D, I, M,
Dim. Dim means not very bright or having little light. The room is dim because the light is off.
D, I,
Beeb. To dip means to briefly put something into a liquid. I dip my nachos into the cheese sauce.
I, G,
Fig. A fig is a sweet fruit with a soft skin and many tiny seeds inside. I eat a fig as a healthy snack.
I, T,
Fit. Fit means to be the right size or shape for something. The shoes fit me perfectly.
I, N,
A fin. A fin is a part of a fish or other animal that helps it swim. The fish has a fin on its back. Keep learning, thank you.